guys, Finger Reviews Food here. And have you ever wondered, what is the difference between steaks at supermarkets? My friends and I went and figured it out. Here's the video. Do it sideways.
Oh, sideways?
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're at Whole Foods and we just got two different kind of steaks. We got a beef ribeye with lots of marbling on it. Cost $20.19. This was about a pound. And we have a less marbled steak, New York strip steak here for $17.27. And this one's about 0.73 pounds. And we're gonna cook these and compare them. For consistency, we're just gonna be seasoning our steaks with sea salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So the total for this English project is $46.63. So the least you could do is like and subscribe. Alright, this here is my friend Andrin.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
He said hi. He's gonna be cooking the meat because I kind of don't trust myself, and he wanted to because yeah, he likes cooking. So yeah. Any words, chef?
This looks good.
Listen to that sizzle.
Be careful, the butter. I think it's done. The first one.
Hooray!
Is she nice? Little kitty?
So unfortunately, I do not have the audio for this video, but I'll just go over and pretend like I'm Andrin cutting this. So this is the ribeye. Damn, that looks good. We're cutting it in small pieces for everyone. This one's the New York strip steak, cutting into it. Damn, look at that. Alright, cutting more pieces, cutting more pieces. Alright, that's good.
That's the steak. It's so good.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Some of the
Really, that was really good, yeah.
Yeah.
Savory.
There you go. That was so dramatic. I feel like you should have put it like on a new plate so that.
Who cares?
Oh, this one's better.
Yeah.
This one's way better. Yeah.
Okay.
9 out of 10.
No,
I like the second.
yeah, the second one was really good. It had that crispiness.
So which do y'all think?
I think the second one's the New York strip.
I think so. Okay. Edwin said it out loud too. I was like, fuck.
Well, I took a bite out of it and then I was like, this is the New York strip. You showed me like, look how well it's fried.
I think I just know steaks too much.
Okay, yeah, that's understandable.
I'll like.
I was a
damn,
really
this
good
shit. Yo,
Really good steak.
No, y'all need to try the. Yeah, go Steven, go try the strip, dude. It's good.
Wait, this the
This ants are fire.
Okay, go take a piece.
Which one's which?
It doesn't matter. Just grab one.
Got one?
Both of us are eating one. Touch.
Hey, go. God damn.
Steven's taking it in.
the tears flowing from his eyes.
Holy shit.
You're in a different world right
He hasn't
now.
had food other than McDonald's for a while.
I don't know how to feel. I'm at a loss for words.
Alright, let's try the second one. Alright, ready?
Okay, that was pretty good. I think it was a bit, I don't know, it's saltier than usual, but I think that's just my palate, or I don't know, the way that it tastes.
Oh, fuck, I know. The ribeye has more juice.
Yeah.
The New York strip has more flavor.
Overall, more people enjoyed the New York strip steak more, but personally, I like the ribeye more. So it really just comes down to preference and what you like. But the ribeye was a lot more juicy and tender, and the New York strip had more flavor and was more crispy. Hey guys, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.